Hello and welcome back to our English learning series. Today we have a new story for you. Are you ready to practice? Let's begin.
Good evening. Welcome to Olive Garden Bistro.
Good evening. Thank you.
Do you have a reservation or would you like a table now?
I don't have a reservation, but a table for one would be great.
No problem at all. Please follow me.
Sure, thank you.
Here you are. Is this table okay for you?
Yes, it's perfect.
Can I get you something to drink to start with?
Yes, please. I'll have a glass of water and a lemonade.
Still or sparkling water?
Still water, please.
I'll be right back with your drinks. Take your time with the menu.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
Here are your drinks. Are you ready to order or do you need a little more time?
I think I'm ready, but I have a question.
Of course, go ahead.
What would you recommend? I'm not very familiar with this menu.
Our grilled chicken pasta is very popular, and today's special is seafood risotto.
That sounds tempting. Is the risotto spicy?
Not really. It's mild, but we can adjust the spice level if you like.
That's good to know. I'll go with the seafood risotto.
Great choice. Would you like any side dishes?
Yes, I'd like a small salad, please.
Any allergies I should know about?
No, I'm good.
Perfect. I'll place your order right away.
Sure, thank you.
Here you are. Please be careful. The plate is hot.
Thanks a lot. It looks delicious.
Enjoy your meal. Let me know if you need anything.
I will.
How was everything?
It was excellent. Compliments to the chef.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Would you like dessert or coffee?
Just a cup of coffee, please.
Are you ready for the bill?
Yes, please.
Here you go. You can pay at the counter or by card here.
I'll pay by card.
Thank you very much. Have a great evening.
You too. I'll definitely come back again.
Now, let's review the new words and phrases. New words. Recommend, to suggest something. Mild, not spicy. Tempting, attractive. Still water, water without gas. Sparkling water, water with gas. Compliment, a nice or kind thing you say about someone or something. New phrases. No problem at all, it's okay. I appreciate it, thank you. Go ahead, please continue. Good to know, useful information. Right away, immediately. Let me know, tell me if needed. Great job listening, you learn new words. Listen again to remember more. See you next time. Please subscribe for more English lessons. Thank you.